Edge sanders coming down the production line, one after the other. You gotta love it. Saving people from palm sanding, one machine at a time.
And there's the geniuses that make all the magic happen. Say hi.
There's our CNC running around, cutting parts. Everything is made right here in St. Thomas, Ontario. Next batch of parts, just getting ready for assembly machine. The improvements on our 2024 model, nothing short of staggering. We have taken all of the input from our customers and made those improvements. So now we can do white one side with a push of a button. We can turn trimmers on and off, pull them in and out. Of course, we've got our 3 grit progression. We've got the corner braking still happening. These machines just keep getting better. And of course, we know that getting the best deal on a machine is critical, but we do want to thank all of our customers for supporting our North American economy, because everything we do is made right here. So if you're ready to offload that edge sanding from your people and you want to do a panel every 30 seconds with profiling, corner braking, 3 grit sanding progression, and sanding the broken corner, maybe it's time to give us a shout. See you soon.